Yeah, but this ship is already leaving. This was one ship. You remember?
Yes, the same as
Yeah.
the other.
Yeah, yeah.
Almost finished. Norholm. Alright.
Brand new.
Brand new Norholm. Sa ngayon, full coat na nila yung Norholm. Ayan. Makinis na ulit. Ready for sailing again. Few days more. Alis na kami dito. Ayan. Napakaganda. Napakahusay. Ayan. Balik na kami. Kasama ko si Segundo. Right. Finish painting.